Welcome to Planters Garden TV. Right now I'm just checking out this Scotch bonnet pepper. Pretty loaded. Oh, they have three beautiful one here. So I'm just picking a few of them. This tree is huge. I'm telling you right now, the tree is almost 6 feet tall, and it's really spreading. And as you can see, I don't know if you're seeing, but there's a lot on this pepper tree. A lot on this pepper tree. So I'm just grabbing a few of them and able to make my pot with some really flavored pepper inside. Look how big this tree is. You see, the good thing about these trees, when you plant them and you take care of them from small, you ain't gotta worry. Once you take care of them from small, when they reach a certain place, they take care of themselves. I'm telling you. All you gotta do, keep the grass away from around the plant, which I'm gonna try to do right now, as you can see. But one tree produce so much. One tree produce so much. Look how big the tree is. Produce so much pepper. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.